Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix client failed and anti-cheat runtime integrity check in Apex Legends. So the first thing, if you're using third-party programs like DS4 Windows or Revast, something along these lines, please uninstall them and try and look if the problem persists or not. If you do not have these programs on your computer while you're playing Apex Legends and you're still getting this error, we can proceed with the other steps, right? So the first thing, you just need to open up a client where's the game is installed. For me is on EA, so I just need to press on Apex Legends, manage, view properties, and then browse and open up game folder. If you're using on Steam, you just need to go to library, find Apex, right click on it, properties, and install files and browse. And you will open up the same window here. Then the next step what you need to do here is to look for R5 Apex exe, right click on it, show more options, and then you need to open up properties, compatibility, and make sure to run this program as admin, apply, okay. R5 Apex DX12 exe, same thing, show more options, properties, compatibility, run this program as admin, right, apply, okay. Then you need to delete all the files related on this folder related to Easy Anti-Cheat. So for me, I'm on EA, so it's just 2 files here, and Easy Anti-Cheat. So what you need to do here is to delete them both, and then you need to go back on your local disk, and on program files x86 should be a Easy Anti-Cheat as well. So you need to just click on it, go to Easy Anti-Cheat, open up, then here choose the game, select Apex Legends. If you see basically codes here, try to install this one, and if you see not the codes, like normal thing, just uninstall Apex Legends, right? And then what you need to do here is to go back on your client, and then the next step what you need to do here is to go to manage, repair, and verify integrity of the game files. So your game files will be re-downloaded, the ones that you just deleted. Same thing on Steam, you just need to right click on it, properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game files, and Easy Anti-Cheat should be reinstalled again, and that should fix your problem. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.